Hey everyone, Engineer Osnes here from the Redstone Skin on Lego Minecraft. So now I have new Lego Minecraft. It's Pumpkin Guy. Yay! So now I will teach you how to build that Pumpkin Guy. So now we need that all. You need the blue first. Next, put the yellow at the top of the blue. And put the blue at the top of the yellow. And last, you need to put the pink at the top of the blue. So next you need to put that here at the black. So now we put that. Next we need to build that Lego, that pumpkin man. The arm was already at the body because if you build that arm, it's so hard because the arm was not straight and the wooden was different at that shovel. That's not wooden, that's a gold. And that's a wooden, that's a real wooden. So now let's build that pumpkin guy. So now the pumpkin guy is now all ready. You need to put the orange at the side and you need to put the shovel at that yellow. So now the pumpkin guy was all ready. And the shovel was here and the orange. So now thank you guys for all watching my video and I hope you like all my video and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.